Ria. Cold tutorial. Sige. Oo nga pala, hindi pa ako marami na akong ginawa pero di ako nakapag-cold. Cold Horizon. Wait lang. 2. Dito yun eh. Taka. 1 and 2. Yan. Yun lang siya. Tapos na. You're so cold. Then tap 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 tap. Dapat parang ganun. Tak 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 tak. Then go cold. Chat. Chat. Then 2. Back. Suddenly say goodbye to the sunrise. Lips blue, no matter what I say, we can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Oh, oh, without you, life's rough, both of us don't know how. Into one cold-blooded DNA. You know. Thank you, Marianne. Forget about our days. Ito. Maganda yun ko. Feelings turn this cold. When you smile it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperature's dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Tap tap hey. Cold, cool, that good, cool. Ice cream. Boom. You're so cold. Those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so Thank you, Pau Pau. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much. May ice cream at saka rose. Hey, Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. Nuna, thank you for the rose. Nagdumi na si Kyoshi. Naamoy ko na siya. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperature's dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Hey, you're so cold. Hey, mali ako. Those eyes were warm like the sun before. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperature's dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. Nung Dreammaker, ano ba yun? Thank you, Lynn. Nung Dreammaker. Mahirap mag-Tagalog. Mahirap ako magsalita talaga, guys. Totoo lang. Totoong buhay yan. Mahirap ako magsalita. Congrats. Sino ba yun? Thank you, Ate Mai. Pate. Congrats, sorry. Congrats na lang sa'yo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Nahirapan na ako sa pick. Cho. Game, anong kinanta mo? Also, yung may and realize. Hindi ko alam eh. Angas ni Jay. Something. Thank you, Lynn.
This Romeo is bleeding, but you can't see his blood. There's nothing but
Thank you, Lian. Thank you, Angel. Angel Lobin.
it's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I'm always been a fighter, but without you,
Uy, ang bawal ng ano mo. Si Arka.
no, I can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to be.
Pabilog na pabilog
But
ka.
I guess I'm not that good anymore. But baby, that's just me. I will love you, baby. Always and
Thank you, Ate Mai. Thank you po sa pagtambay dito. Thank you, Rona, Vanna. Thank you so much. Galing na naman ni Kuya Jay. Alam mo yun. Hello, Machi. Hello. Napapansin. Wait, ang bilis ng ano. Likes lang kayo, guys. Hello, Charlie, Ma. Thank you. Marami talaga akong na-miss ng mga tao. Charlie, thank you. Pogi ni Jay. Thank you, Chen. Basa in naifin si Jake at saka si Sun. Charlie Matt, thank you. Zai, thank you. Thank you. Na-miss ko na mag-gitara. Sino na-miss ko? Wala. Hello, Zelen, thank you so much. Anchor Neil? Neil ba to? Ay, oh, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Wannabe. Thank you for sending gift. Flex your favorite shoes. May bago akong sapatos eh. Bigay kahapon. From Tita Meds. Feel ko magiging favorite ko na to siya. Ganda. Ay, nung mayong gabi. Wait lang, magbabasa na ako ng comments, guys. Feel ko marami nang nag-ano eh. Marami nang nagtatampo sa akin. Namiss ko na mga mag-gitara. Oh, thank you, Yang. Thank you. Hello, Yang. Nakikita ko ata yung mga videos mo na-edit. Hindi ko alam. Parang nakita ko. May nakakita. Yamos Anchor, Danilin. Yes, namamansin ako. Thank you, Ate Mai. Parang love ako ni Tita Maya. Ate Mai. Hello, Jeline. Yeah! Vanna, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, Aza. Thank you, Aza. Si Aza din nakikita ko yan, yung mga edits niya sa akin. Thank you, Aza. And Cornel, thank you din. How's life? Masaya naman. I'm good. Shout out sa kay Sir J. Hello, Charlie Matt. Thank you, Matcha, Charlie Matcha. Thank you, Ate Maymay. Taga saan po kayo, Ate Maymay? Ito yung favorite ko na performance sa K-pop. Noreen, thank you. Thank you so much for sending Rose. Darling. Noreen, only Dan. Thank you for the rose. It's GD, baby. Thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. Justin, hello. Feel of you, baby. Hey. Hey, yeah. I'm ready for this. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Hey. Noreen, thank you. Thank you again. Jillian, thank you. Ano pa ba yung pwede kong masabi, guys? Hello, Abby Kim. How are you? Kilala kita. Thank you, Noreen. Let's go! Namamansin ako, hindi ko lang makita yung mga name. Hatag Cluen ka mo balik Iloilo. Hindi pa sure. Yun yung clue. I just can't remember this. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kailan ulit ikaw mag-live? Depende. Baka bukas din ako magla-live. Thank you, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Baka bukas, depende. Depende sa mood kung magla-live ako. Pero pag magla-live ako mga 7 or 8, ganun. Let the bass drop. Kyrie, thank you so much. Hey. Let the bass drop. Bang, 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 bang. Spider. Thank you so much, Spider. Presenting Rose Spider. Thank you, Ria. Wow. It's Tang, baby. Ito, SB19. Gento. Na-perform namin to nung first concert eh.
Oh, so this is how it looks like here. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous.
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung ano eh. Live ng Gento. Boom. Oh, thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much.
107.5.
I want some, I'll get some later. Thank you, Mike. Good karma, shake me for major. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics nito eh. Nakalimutan ko. See, oh Gucci. Thank you, Justin. Movie, can you see marumi? Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Justin. Sobrang napaka-approachable talaga ni Kuya Stel sa SB90 at saka si Josh Cullen. Sobrang napaka-approachable. Si nonchalant si Justin, nakasmile lang palagi. Oh, thank you Tita Meds. Justin, thank you. Si Pablo parang nag-observe siya lagi sa amin. Tapos tinatanong niya kami bakit isa, parang ganun si si Kuya Ken, parang seryoso sang tao. Yeah. Tapos lagi lang siyang tumatawa. Thank you Ulano, thank you so much. Ano nga yung ganito? Ay, ganito pala. May... Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagbato ng istoriko. So sa mga chismoso, alinan pumalik na rito. Di naman talaga madali. Aminin ko pa man o hindi. Talaga ng mga tagumpag, ibigay manan kung di ba listo. Laging na listo, kahit pa sinisto. Lupong na bisto, na bisko. Oh, thank you, Baby Muro. Thank you so much, Tita Meds. Thank you. Thank you, Rock. Thank you so much. Nagulat ako sa ano mo ah. Oh, thank you so much. Nahiya ako mag-gento. Nakalimutan ko yung step. Ay, ganito. Ito. Kalimutan ko na. Gento. Oh, thank you, Rack. Thank you so much. Gusto ko aralin yung dam eh. Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Lalim nun. Dam. Wait lang. Anong sayo nila? Ito, All Out Sunday. Paano kaya? Parang may ganun. Yeah, yung si Jiro magdam. Justin, thank you. Charlie, man, thank you. Bias ko ulit sa ano, si Josh Colin. Thank you, Rack. Bukas try ko i-TikTok yan. Kasama ko si Jiro ulit. Dam. Anong bag? Dam. Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Yung lagi kong pinapanood yung tawag nito? Yung Watson's playlist namin. Watson. Ganda nun eh. Kasama namin Alamat at saka SB19, Kaya, G22. G22. Pinky May. Thank you for sending Rose. And ano RC, thank you so much. Lance, thank you po. Ate Mai, thank you. Look at you, boom. Ay. Ganun ba? Look at you. Halimaw talaga yung SB19. Look, it's heavy. Stop this Hey, your gasolina, yeah, I'm finally got, yeah, you to turn up the heat. Tired, what time? Look at you. Thank you, Lance. That I'm always ready. Yeah. Hey, ta. Dito pa. Yeah, you got some. Killer, I'm killing you. Horizon. Nah. Thank you, Rack. Hello, Ate Jessa. Mag-end live ako mamaya. Mga 8:55. Sobrang payat ko dito. Ngayon ata nasa 55 kilo na ako eh. Ito 46, 47. Hello, thank you. It's me, Jessa. Thank you, Ate Jessa. Thank you po. Soon mag-ML ako. Pag mag-try ko mag-stream dito sa TikTok. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you po, Rona Olano. Thank you, Rack. Wait lang. Lakas ko pala dito sumayaw. Parang di ako nauubusan ng energy. Hey, hey. akong ginagawa. Ba't ang cute ko agad? Alamat. Handa. Ra.